Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sunil Kumar, a lifestyle medicine physician, health coach, and an educator, and a strong advocate for sustainable health transformations. For years, I have worked with patients, healthcare professionals, and entire communities to make health practical, achievable, and life changing. I have seen firsthand that medicine alone cannot fix poor lifestyle choices, but the right knowledge, empowerment, and small sustainable actions can change lives. And today, I want to share real stories of transformation, stories of ordinary people who faced struggle just like you and who turned things around with simple, evidence based lifestyle changes. But before we dive in, let me ask you a few things. If you think healthy lifestyle is expensive, try illness. Your body keeps the score. What story is yours telling? If you say there is no time for health, you will have to make time for disease later. Harsh, maybe, but true. The good news, it's never too late to change your story. Case number one, the silent spectator who turned wellness warrior in my group. Let's talk about someone who thought she was just watching from the sidelines in the group coaching. In her own words, I was just a mute spectator in the group, struggling with laziness and inconsistency. But seeing others thrive, I decided to start. Hydration, the non-exercise activity, thermogenesis activities, moderate physical activities, everything changed. Now I feel more energetic, motivated, and educated about my own body. She started small, just drinking more water and walking more. No extreme diets, no gym obsession, just simple steps. So, the key takeaway from this story, sometimes the first step is just deciding to start. Let's move to case number two, from burnout to balance, a doctor's revelation. Now, here's a story of a doctor, a gynecologist, working in a remote hospital. She was so overworked that even a simple walk turned into a consultation. Being a gynecologist in a rural setup, I had no time for myself. But through this group, through this coaching, I found a way to move, stay mindful, and reclaim my health. Now, I not only feel better, but also guide my patients better. That's her own words. Imagine that a doctor helping herself first so she could help others better. So, what's the key takeaway from this story? Even healthcare professionals struggle with their health. But if they can find time, so can we. Case number three, the post pregnancy weight study. For 8 years, this woman tried everything to lose the weight she gained after childbirth. Diets, workouts, nothing worked. In her own words, I was stuck between 60 to 62 kilos for 8 years. Then in just 3 months of structured, guided changes by Dr. Kumar, I reached my goal of 56 kilos. And the best part, people around me started following the same path. The key takeaway, fad diets don't work. Science-based lifestyle habits do. Let's move on to case study 4. The fitness enthusiast who needed structure. Some people are already active but still feel like something is missing. In her own words, I've always been into fitness, never falling for fad diets. Something was missing. With Dr. Kumar's knowledge, I fine-tuned my habits and became the fittest I have been in years. The key takeaway, even if you think you are doing enough, there's always way to optimize for better results. Case number 5. From meditation only to a holistic approach. Mental health matters, but if your body isn't functioning well, your mind will suffer too. In her own words, I only ever practiced meditation. Exercise and diet were always tomorrow's problem. But after joining the group, I realized I was accountable for my own health. Hydration, physical activity, structured eating pattern, everything changed. Now I feel more energetic than ever. So the key takeaway from this, health is not just about the mind, it's about the balance between the body, mind, and the environment. The ripple effect, when one change inspires many, when you make a change, the impact isn't just on you, families, workplaces, entire communities shift towards better. Many in my groups have taken their learnings to patients, friends, and even their children. The only way I can thank you is by helping others with the same methodology. That was one of the reflection. And next one, this is my best, most treasured group. I am beyond grateful. Next one, I have never thought simple changes could be so powerful. No hunger, no extreme diets, just sustainable habits that work. So the formula for success, step 1, awareness. Understand your health habits and challenges. Step 2, action. Take small, consistent steps. Don't aim for perfection. Step 3, accountability. A community or a coach or a physician that supports you makes the journey easier. If they did it, so can you. So my final message is, it's your turn to change. The best project you ever work on is yourself. Excuses don't burn calories, movement does. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. So, are you ready to begin your transformation? Because change doesn't happen tomorrow, it starts today. Thank you. If you liked the video, please subscribe, please share it with others, and see you in the next video.